Hi guys, it's me, Leigh, with Victorian Dreams by Leigh. Thanks for stopping by. I've been doing a lot of cards and I feel bad that some people just don't have dies and a die machine to cut them, a cutting machine. And so let's just do old school shabby chic card making 101 today. So, um, I grabbed out paper. I'm just wanting to use stuff I have. This is from Michael's. I think when they go on sale, you get recollections. I want to say you get it for $5 a paper pad when they go on sale. If not, then I used a coupon and I'm sure I didn't spend very much at all. So this is the paper. And what I liked about it was since it is close to Valentine's still, they had uh, pink in it. And they also had the word, let's see if I can find it. It's going to take longer to show you the paper than it is to, they have this word love right here, so I cut it out. And I made this shabby chic card. And it's quick and easy, just 2 sheets of paper and then the little card right here. So there you go. But I thought, okay, well, I have this from cutting it in half because it's the second piece here. So we could just fold this over and it's right on that seam actually where it's there. But then I thought, no, I could do that and then just and not use a card. But I have a card base. So we're going to just go ahead and use a card base. So I took half. So here's half of the paper and I already used that one half right here, so this is the other half. So I still have this is 1/4. So I made it 1/8 smaller on my card base all the way around. I have a Tim Holtz tool to rough it up, but I can't find it. So you know what? Let's really do old school, and we use our scissors. I hold it pretty close to the edge to ruffle it up rough, whichever way. And let's just tape it down. Let's tape it down to the card base. This tape doesn't want to go straight. So let's just put it on the card base. There's dust from the paper all over my desk. Okay, so there's that. Then I roughed it up here and I want to go ahead and still create that tear somewhat. So let's tear. And before we glue this down, I thought this time, since it is shabby chic, let's add a little bit of lace. So the lace on this came from Walmart. And let's just cut it right here. I'm not even going to measure. I just know it's longer. And before we glue it down, we're going to just eyeball it like this. I think we're going to have to put it, square it up to this. And let's get Charlie our glue gun and put some here and use our finger and it's glued down. And so that it will glue properly, we're going to be away from that little curve. I think you can't probably see it white on white, so I'll bring it to you in just a second and glue that down. And see how I just glued it? Yes, we use glue on paper all day long, me and Charlie. And if you're new to me, this is Charlie. I call my glue gun Charlie because there was a little boy on a video that said, "Ouch, Charlie, that hurt." And so that's how I got the name. So we're going to just place this right here. So let's tape it up. And Add tape everywhere. Okay, which way do we want to go? Want to go this way or we want to go this way? Let's put it at the bottom. So 1/8 of an inch smaller than the diagonal ones. And let's just tape that down. And then I cut out the little love from there. And these sticky things aren't very sticky, so I'm going to add a little bit of glue. And I want it to overflow to get in the nooks and crannies to hold it from both sides of the paper. And we'll use this love right here and put like right there. And there you go. Quick, easy. All you have to have is really scissors and tape. And if you don't have a glue gun, you can tape it down. So there you go. Quick and easy little things. I talked more than it took. So yeah, there's a couple of Shabby Chic cards that you can make. So I hope you like the quick, easy video. And I know everyone knows how to do this. I just want to give inspiration. I have extra little flowers here from another project. We could add flowers, take it off this cardboard that I have it holding on so I won't lose them. But we could add flowers to it. We could have flowers here. But it's going to go in the mail, so I don't want bulkiness on this one. So yeah, guys, hopefully you like these quick and easy tutorials. Have a great day. Don't forget to sub to me and ring that bell so that you know when I'm coming on. And hey, Glue Gun Chronicles, my group, would love to have you. We share a lot. Bye, guys.